It's time for another episode of 5 Favorites. In this series, we pick our 5 favorite drone videos from the past month and talk about them for a little bit. There are no real qualifications for our selections. These are videos that we liked and wanted to share with the community. Ready to jump in? Let's get to it. Starting off April's favorites, we get a crazy building exploration video from Smith FPV. This video has a bit of everything: quick agile loops, gap hits, power loops, proximity flying, and so on, all while flying in an incredibly unique location. The proximity flying to start off the video is great, but things really take off when the flow shifts to using the building's interior. Again, a great variety of gaps and quick flying. Little details like someone pointing out a gap to hit and then hitting it definitely made me smile. Now, usually I like music with these videos, but I think the raw audio really works great here. All in all, Tom put together an outstanding video that is definitely worth watching. Nausea Monkey put together a great mix of clips at a stunning location with tons of diveable objects. Between an oceanside tower, construction yard, and tree-filled park, we get a great assortment of flying approaches. I love the variety of clips here, the dives and use of space in the building shots, crane flying, and general smooth flow between the shots work really well together. Scenes like the reverse loop around the crane and the beach cruising make for a ton of variety and some cool flying spots. If you want to be jealous of a flying location, this is definitely the video to watch. The setup here almost looks like a simulator map. The RCAddict always puts together great edits, and Kickstart is no exception. The video starts slow with some easy cruising and beautiful shots of the sun reflecting off the water. The progressive ramp up in the music dropping into fast freestyle is fantastic. As always, I love RCAddict's capture of color. The footage always looks incredible. We get great looping freestyle with speedy proximity flying. The accuracy here really is the standout. Those tree dives and loops are perfectly executed, and the RCAddict makes complex maneuvers just look easy. Colossal FPV has continuously put out great loopy freestyle, and I really liked the edit he put together with transition. As the name implies, Colossal transitions between a few flying edits here, and he does so seamlessly. Great editing and flying all around. Colossal has a knack for using a simple location really well. His proximity flying, controlled loops, and clean dives become the focus over the location itself. I love that Colossal took the time to sync and transition the footage so well, and I hope that we see more like this from him in the future. Wrapping up April, we get some breathtaking follow footage from Johnny FPV. Now, we've recently seen a lot of drone following videos between motorbikes and drift cars. You'd think we'd run out of compelling shots, but Johnny FPV absolutely proves that wrong with this snowy sports edit. This video works because of the proximity and the smoothness of flying. Johnny gets damn close to the snowboarders and skiers, and the resulting footage is unreal. Similarly, he did a great job maneuvering the quad to get interesting perspective shots that you usually don't see in these sports. I fully expect to see this footage in GoPro's next commercial. Incredible flying and editing all around. And that does it for April. As always, we'll be back next month to look at May's 5 favorites. We'll see you guys next time.